Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Toyota Land Cruiser 1998. We need to program the key. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna program the first one, Ahmed, and then you can program the next by yourself. Come, stay other side, I show you. Then you can do the next one by yourself. We are trying to add 2 keys for this car, and then we gotta do the remote. So you go other side, I show you then. It's very simple, but I show you the first one, then come other side. Because you have to hold the camera and then you see. Okay, here we have one working key. In order for us to add a key, we need to have, in order for us to order program a key, what is the original key?
No, hold on, let me give it to you.
Okay, get the original
You
key.
need that too, right?
Yeah, without it you cannot program. Okay, those keys are not programmed, And also you have to look for the security light. Where is it? There must be a security light somewhere. You see here? This is the security light. So what's gonna happen is we need to start programming this quick. We're gonna use the gas pedal and the brake pedal. We're gonna push the gas pedal 5 times and then brake pedal 6 times, and then we're gonna push the gas pedal 1 time, and then we wait for programming. I am saying it, but it may be a little bit difficult. But if we do it 1 time, we can get it. Also, you cannot program the key with a valet key. A valet key means when you put the key in the ignition, the security light is stay on for more than 3 seconds, or 3 seconds, then it go off. The master key, as soon as you put it in, the light will go off right away. So those are 2 keys that we need to know how we're gonna deal with. You have 1 key, hopefully that key is a master key. If the key is a master key, as soon as you put it in the ignition like this light will go off right away. Right now, because it's not programmed, the car may start and shut off, or it may not start, you see. So we're gonna keep those here, and we're gonna wait for them to bring the original key, and then we will try to add those keys, and then from there we're gonna see if we can program the doors. Door also have its own way. Be sure all the doors are working, and then you're gonna do it manually. I'm coming back. Okay, now to show you, this is a master key. By putting the key in the ignition, that light will go off. Just by putting it, it go off right away. See? It's gonna take it out. Put it back. So now, what you're gonna do in order for you to program this? To program 1 key, first we're gonna program the chip. So what we need to do is come out, stay in the car, put this in the ignition, push the gas 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brake 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take this key out, put this one in. Now push the gas pedal 1 time. Leave it. Now you're gonna see here, this will start blinking soon. See? Start blinking. It will start blinking for 1 minute at least, till it disappears. When it disappears, that means it's programmed. Then you gotta do the next one. Or you can just take the chip out, use Tango, and just go ahead and copy 1 key. C1, CN1, you copy that key into it, and you have as many keys as you have. But this is a programming procedure. I have 38. Yes. Thank you guys, you watching. Now it's programmed. I'm gonna turn it on. This one is already done. Good. I'm gonna take this one out. We're gonna put it here. And this is master key too. Look, I show you. Put the key inside, the key is gone. So now I have one program. I'm gonna come back again with the same one. Put it in. Now, if this is another master key, valet key, it will not. You cannot write. Valet key means in computer term technology, it's like RAM, read only memory. That means you cannot, with it, you cannot write anything on it. So now let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be sure that which one is. Which one that started? I don't want to get confused. This is good. Take it out, keep it there. Now I'm gonna start it the same way. Put it in. Now we're gonna leave it. Don't turn it, just in. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take the key. Put the one you want to program in. Then one time. You're gonna stay. It will start blinking in a few. I already put yes. 1, 2, 3.
You gotta have the
4,
key inside his pocket.
5. He has the key, and we are looking in the whole shop. But the mistake is for my son. 7. Now it's gonna blink 60 seconds, and the light will go off, and the key is programmed. You don't need to use tools, because this is the first.
This guy.
That's the first technology. There is no way computer doesn't know how to send signal by wire or something. So you have to do it like this, or you have to solder it and do it. This is Land Cruiser, my friend. At this time, is really car. It's a really Land Cruiser. It's not a joke. Until now, Land Cruiser is Land Cruiser, and this is for all Toyota. You see now, we keep going. We keep going. Please bear with us.
You want
So-
some more?
Bear with us. 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 Okay, it's done. So now, start. Now, I have 2 key program. I have 1 key program, 2 program, 3 program. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronics. The next step is to program the remote. So bear with us, and please subscribe and share.